Thank you for considering DevExpress ASP.NET controls and MVC extensions for your software development needs. In this demo, I'll show you how to create a simple web application and add a report to it. Plus, see how to download a report template from the DevExpress gallery, bind it to data, and publish it on a web page. Additionally, learn how to pass parameters to your web reports and assign bookmarks to report elements so it's easier to navigate through your reports. First, let's create a folder to store our reports. Right-click on the project and create a new folder called Reports. Now right-click the New Reports folder and select Add New Item. From this dialog, select the reporting category and choose DExperience Report class, then click Add. Now we have a blank Report Designer surface to create our report. Click the Smart tag of the report and select Load Report Template. These are stunning pre-made report templates from DevExpress that help you get started faster and create beautiful reports. I'll choose the first template and click Load. The template is now loaded into your report and you can customize it to your needs. Now let's bind the report to data. First, add a new dataset to your project. For this report, I'll use the endwin.mdb access database. In the Dataset Designer, drop the categories and products tables from the nwin.mdb database. Click the Report Smart tag and set the data source to the dataset we just created. Since we're dealing with a hierarchical master detail report, click the Detail Report Smart tag and assign the Products Table adapter to the band's Data Adapter property as well. And now we're done binding the report. Let's click Preview to see how the report will be displayed with data. Alright, now we're ready to publish the report. First, open the default.aspx page and switch to the Design view. Insert a new table. Set it to 2 rows and 1 column. From the Visual Studio toolbox, you'll find the DevExpress report controls under the DX reporting category. Drop a report toolbar control in the top row of the table. Then drop a report viewer control to the bottom row. These two controls allow your end users to view, navigate, print, and export the report. Now click the Smart tag of the Report Viewer control and set the report property to the report we just created. Click the Smart tag of the Report Toolbar and set the Report Viewer property to the Report Viewer control below. And that's it. Now let's take a look at this in the browser. You now have a stunning report bound to data in a matter of minutes, and it renders as HTML so we can scroll, page, and also export to a number of formats. Next, let's go back to the Report Designer and see how easy it is to add parameters to your reports. Let's add a parameter so they can filter the report by category name. From the Field List pane, right-click and select Add Parameter. Give the parameter a name, description, type, and set a default value. I'll check the box so that we can use the collection of standard values for our parameter. We'll filter using the Category ID field and use category name as the display value. Now that we created the parameter, let's add it to the report's filter. Click the Smart tag and then click on the filter string, which brings up the filter string editor. Click the plus sign to add a new filter item. Then select the new parameter that we just created and click OK. Let's go back to the default.aspx page and add an area to the right of the report. On the web page, select the cells, add a column to the right, Merge the new cells and set the cell's style to vertical align top and the width to 30%. From the Visual Studio toolbox, drop an ASPX round panel on the new cell. Set the round panel's header text property to parameters. Then drop a Reports Parameters panel control in the round panel. From the Smart tag of the Reports Parameters panel, set the Report Viewer property to the current report view control on the page. And that's it. Let's run the application again and see the Parameters panel in action. Now your end users can use the Parameters panel to filter the report easily. And finally, let's make the report even better by adding a document map so anyone can easily navigate across the data in your report. To do this, let's go back to the Report Designer. Select the table in the detail band, then set the bookmark property to the product name data field. Now go to the default.aspx page and add another ASPX round panel to the table. Set its header text property to bookmarks. Then drop a document map control in the new round panel. From the Smart tag of the Reports Parameters panel, set the Report Viewer property to the current report view control on the page. And that's it. Let's run the application again and see the document map in action. Now we have a stunning report with different ways to navigate and filter the data. Thanks for watching. Let's see what develops.